Hey everybody, David here. Very, very quick tutorial on how to alleviate things that hurt very quickly and to open one's mind to what's really possible with redox. Since 2011, I've been telling you and telling people about this breakthrough. Some of you listen and seen basically amazing miracles happen, some of you, and some haven't, and that's okay. I was pretty close-minded when it was brought to me. The only reason I took the time to look at something that was made from salt and water and thought that's all that it was, the only reason was my dad was ill. So maybe after me doing this for 15 years, maybe you're 15 years older and you're noticing some changes in you and people you love, and you might be more open. But I'm going to show you the fastest way to validate it, to come to know that it's real, is what the next generation of the product that came out last year in 2025 is called Redox Gold. That, in combination with the one that works for wrinkles, also has an impact on inflammatory pathways, as this one does. I'm going to show you exactly how you can 100% know that this is real and not just wonder if it's real. And what I'm about to show you is to open your mind, because this is the more important version of it. These are made from this, basically. Here's what you do. Step number one, what hurts you? Okay, is it your neck? Rate the discomfort level on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 to 10, 10 being horrible. And maybe if turning it, if you can go only this far and it's a 6, make a note of it or take a picture and say, I can only go that far, it was a 6. Because you're going to see within 10 minutes, what happens to 9 out of 10 people, including you. Okay? So you rate the discomfort, step 1. You take the Redox Gold that's made from salt, water, and there's a clay in it that's a silicate, and a buffer for pH, and 24 karat gold. And there's no smell, there's no greasiness. I mean, I'm putting it on my face. That's how safe it is. But you put it wherever it hurts, your neck, your back, your knee, your hip, whatever hurts. So step 1 is rating discomfort level 1 to 10. Apply this one time liberally. Okay, now listen carefully. In about 3 or 4 minutes, if it's not down to a 0, then do it again. There's no toxicity to this. You can do it 1,000 times. Do it again, but the second time also put some on your hand and put it here. It's called the vagus nerve, along where your carotid artery is. Just go like that, like once. Okay. Wait 3 more minutes. If it's not down to a 0, do it again with this one, but put it on the area that hurts and on the vagus nerve. Watch what happens within 10 minutes, sometimes 30 seconds. And I'd be a fool to sit here and tell you what to expect with it, especially for people that get samples of it. It's so self-evident. Go see 10 people you know. Go see people you love, your mother, your father, anything that hurts them. And you do that same test on them and watch what happens to 9 out of 10. Number 1, you'll know that this is real. You'll know that this is real. Number 2, you will look very seriously at this because you've had a positive experience. It's not hearsay. And remember, what you see on these 10 people, or 9 on average, 9 out of 10 people, it's the tip of the iceberg. This is the gift for humanity. Honest to God, it is. Can't convince you with words. The only way to convince anybody, and that I was the same, is to see results. I hope you take it seriously. Thank you. Hi, my name is Dr. David Silverman, and this is Dr. Carolyn Hoffman.
Hi.
We are on the Medical Professionals Board of this company, ASEA, and we're standing in front of the labs where this has been developed. And your friend is bringing you a gift. Whether you're with him or her, physically now or long distance, take what they're saying very seriously. This is a breakthrough. This is called redox signaling molecules, and it is a breakthrough for humanity. Anybody who wants to live younger, longer, live better, longer, needs to know about this. And this is something that's such a breakthrough. Breakthroughs always sound too good to be true to the public when it's introduced to the public until they experience it themselves. So your friend is, if you may have already just had an experience with one of the products called Redox Gold. If you just had an experience, you're blown away. If you have not yet had the experience, then in a moment you will be. And it will open your mind. It will open your mind to say, I need to know more about this. And that's the goal. The goal is not just for you to put it on your neck and say, wow, that's amazing. That feels better. Or your hand is closing in a couple of minutes. It opens your mind that there's something significant here. This is called redox signaling molecules. This product is Redox Gold.
And this is redox signaling molecules that you drink. It's identical to what's in your body. Your body makes it right now, but you made more when you were younger. And how did you feel better when you were younger? Could you fall down and play with your friends and get up to go to school the next day, no problems? Well, I'm 64 years old, and I feel like I'm in my 30s. I've been drinking this for 14 years. It's produced in an FDA-registered production facility in the US, audited facility also, but I've been drinking it for 14 years. Is it the reason why I'm 64 and I feel like I'm in my 30s? I think so. Is it the reason I don't take any medications and my parents and grandparents took medications at 64? I can't say that. That would be a medical claim because this does not heal you or cure you. What it does is amplify signaling in the body so the body can hear where there are problems so the body can take care of the problems, the immune system and the stem cell system. Dr. Hoffman, by the way, my background is podiatry and foot surgery. Dr. Hoffman, what's your background? And maybe share just a little bit as to, real briefly, what this does in the body.
Absolutely. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I'm also a digestive health specialist. And in my field, it's been tons of supplements, right? Physical things that you consume that your body has to break down and find a way to deliver to those cells. I don't know if you're like me or like my clients, but most of the time it's frustrating. You can take a lot of those things and they don't really support you. What's so different about redox signaling is this is foundational to the way every single cell communicates in order to protect us, to maintain health, and to combat the challenge we have with going towards dis-ease, right? And those experiences. This is like activating every single cell in the human body uniformly with one thing, rather than cherry picking and trying to throw all those different supplements at different things that really don't deliver. Because why don't they deliver? Because this is the powerhouse of how our body uses anything else that we consume.
So this is foundational.
Yes, absolutely.
Because when we were young, we produced a lot. We produced less after puberty. It's produced in our mitochondria, less in our 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. When you drink it, it's identical to what's in us. We're raising our levels up, and it's amplifying signal. That's what it does. So the body's healing systems can hear where there's a problem. So this is foundational, and this is targeted.
Yes.
This is targeted for, let's call it discomfort. We watch what happens with relief and recovery in a matter of minutes. And again, it opens people's minds, but this is the most important product because this is foundational. And just because of safety, can you be allergic to this?
No, can't be allergic to it because even if you don't use it, you and I are making this as we speak. It's
right?
in us, yeah.
Will it interfere with medications?
Absolutely not, which is really unique. Totally transparent to medication. So you can safely add this to your regime, stay on your meds, and then just track the changes that your body's going to develop as a result of having a higher redox potential.
And what about toxicity, like versus pharmaceuticals? Pharmaceuticals, there are dosages. If you have a headache, if you take
Correct.
2 acetaminophen and it doesn't work, you can't take 20. But what about this? Is there a limit?
Absolutely no limit, no toxicity. You can drink a whole bottle a day. We hope you don't need that, but you could do if you wanted to.
Most people drink about 6 ounces a day, 180 ml a day.
Yeah.
But this is the key. This is the mind opener. And again, we hope that you take this very seriously. Your friend is sharing a gift with you, and think of people you love that may have things in their body where they have discomfort, but much beyond that. Sleeping problems, anything. Take the time to investigate this and come to a Zoom to learn more about this. Okay, we have a lot of information out there. So relief is belief. Thank you.
Thank you.